Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen how to apply implicit wait. In this video, we will see how to apply explicit wait. In implicit wait, globally we mention timeout time. So see, here we have mentioned this timeout time 5 seconds. So it will be applicable for all the web elements. But in explicit wait, for particular web element, we have to mention this timeout time. So how to do it, we'll see in this example. So same example here we'll use it. So in explicit wait, there are two things. First, we have to create object of WebDriverWait class. WebDriverWait class. Suppose I am giving this object name W. So previously we have created object of this WebDriver, right? WebDriver, and here we are creating object of WebDriverWait class. Now see, to create this object we are using this new operator, and again WebDriverWait, right? So likewise we are creating object. Now see, while creating object we have to pass two parameters. So one is driver. So this driver means this driver object, and we have to mention time. So we have to mention time by using this duration class. So duration dot of seconds. See, and suppose I want to mention timeout of 5 seconds. Okay, see here I have mentioned. So that is the first step. So see, in explicit wait we have to mention this, right? Timeout time, here we are mentioning 5, and how we have mentioned it? By creating object of WebDriverWait class, and name we have given W. Now see, so already that I have told, in explicit wait for particular component we are mentioning, we have to wait for that particular time. So see, where we are waiting. So see, after clicking on Marathi, it will take some time, right? It will take some time to load pages. So see, already we have seen here. So when you click on this Marathi, so it is taking some time to load this, right? So here it will take some time to load this web element, right? So here, so before this we'll mention one condition. So it should wait until this is loaded, this web element is loaded, and for this purpose we have to take help of this object W. Now see how we are writing it. W dot until. Now see, instead of null we have to pass parameter expected conditions. So this is class name, and by using this class we have to call one method visibility of element located. So see, we got it, and here instead of this null we have to mention that particular web element. Now see, so how we can find out that web element? By this, by dot xpath, right? And here in double quote we have to mention locator for that particular web element, right? So locator, here only we have this. So same code we will copy, Control C, and here we will mention Control V. It will wait until this web element is visible. So see, W dot, we are calling this method until, in bracket we are passing one parameter, and what is the parameter? Expected condition, that is class. For this class we are calling one method visibility of element located, and for this method visibility of element located we have to pass this web element. And how we are getting this web element? So see, by method, for this we are calling xpath method, and here we are passing the locator in double quote, right? Likewise you are mentioning. Now see, when we click Marathi, so it will take some time. So when this web element will be visible, up to that, until that we have to wait. Now see, again here, so what we are doing here? So see, we are clicking on Marathi, then we are clicking on this Chandramukhi, then again we are going back, then we are clicking on English, right? So when we click on English, again it takes some time to load this, right? So after clicking on English, when it will get loaded, and after that we are clicking on this top gun, right? So after clicking on English, again we'll put wait. And how to mention that? So same thing. See, whatever the line we have written, same line we have to write there. So w dot until, right? Here we have to pass one parameter, and what is this parameter? So here we have to write expected conditions dot visibility of element located. Visibility of element located. Okay, and here instead of this null we have to mention that web element. So by dot xpath. Okay, here we have to pass locator of that web element. So here we have that. So this is a locator of that web element. So see, here we will write it, right? So that we have mentioned. At the end we need semicolon. So see, so two things we have done, right? So one thing, so we have to create object of WebDriverWait class. There we are passing two parameters. One is driver and another is time. And how we are mentioning time? By using this duration class and of second method, and 5 is second, right? We have mentioned 5 as a second. And second step, this is the first step. We have to create object of WebDriverWait class, and wherever it is needed, because see, it is explicit wait. So wherever it is needed, there we have to mention explicitly. There we have to mention where we have to wait. So see, before this we have to wait. So we have to check whether this web element is visible or not. So before that, here we are putting condition. So w dot until, and there we are passing this parameter expected conditions dot visibility of element located, and there we are passing this web element. And here again, so after clicking on this English, so we are waiting whether this web element is present or not, it is available or not. So before that we are checking, right? So here we have mentioned that code. So two things are there. First step, we have to create object of this WebDriverWait class, and second, wherever it is needed, before that we have to mention this code to wait, right? So by this code we will wait for this particular web element, right? So now we will run our code. So see, all actions are done, and here we got this top gun, right? So in this way we can use explicit wait. There are two steps. One is we have to create object of WebDriverWait class, and second step is wherever it is needed, there we can mention this wait. So it will wait for the particular web element. So in this way we can use explicit wait. In next video we'll see how to use fluent wait. A fluent wait, again, it is a type of explicit wait only. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.